It's Friday, open racing, cut knees, jump squeak out of the gate, washing out Mario outside his uncle Co. Down in third now, Regal Baby, then followed by Love Rosie Smart Tonic Contest, 7 about Willis Creative, Secret Kingdom, next in line on Quaker Soap Musketeer. Another straight day travel, cut knees being joined by Uncle Co. Following back in third, Regal Baby. Here comes Creative. Around the outside, Love Rosie Contest, Secret Kingdom, Smart Tony. Moving up now, Musketeer. While Quaker's Hope is now running in the tail of the field. And down the half mile they travel Uncle Co. Along shot, Liz Balang, followed by Katniss. And here comes Love Rosie, now taking the third spot down in fourth, Regal Baby, then followed by Creative. Here comes Musketeer, Secret Kingdom, Contest, Quaker Soap, while Smart Tony is now running in the tail of the field. As they turn for home, Love Rosie now for the outside, leads the pack about 3 lengths. Secret Kingdom moving up now to take second, Musketeer, and at the wire is Love Rosie. Second, Secret Kingdom, Musketeer, Creative, Regal Baby, Quaker Soap, Contessa.
Okay, Bayang Karirisa, para po dito sa inyong race number 1, our unofficial winner, entry number 5, that's Love Rosie, with John Alvin Guse, Masi Segundo, numero 3, Secret Kingdom, sunod po, numero 6, Musketeer. Ating muna pong balikan ng replay para sa inyong unang karera, race number 1.